If Google keeps rejecting your fake review dispute, you're missing the compliance angle, and ReputationZilla fixes it in 7 days. Here's the problem. Google rejects 78% of first-time disputes within 48 hours. Flag the review as policy violation within 24 hours of posting for a 3 times higher removal rate. Upload proof within 24 hours of filing. Late evidence drops your win rate to 31%. A competitor drops a fake 1-star review on your Google business profile claiming you never delivered an order. Within 72 hours, your local search ranking drops 4 positions, and bookings fall 31%. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle fake review attacks that cost you real revenue every single day they stay live. Most people fail here. They dispute the review using the generic flag button and write something vague like "this is fake" or "never happened." Google's AI tosses that in 2 days. You need to cite the exact Google Maps content policy line the review violates, attach proof the reviewer never transacted review, and use specific compliance language Google's reviewers recognize. Step 1. Pull the reviewer's Google profile. Click their name. If the account was created in the last 30 days and has only 1 or 2 reviews, that's a forward signal. Screenshot it. If the review mentions a product or service you don't even offer, screenshot your actual service menu. Google needs visual proof of the mismatch. With ReputationZilla, we compile this evidence package for you in under 4 hours. Step 2. File the dispute through Google Business Profile on desktop, not mobile. Mobile disputes get lower priority. In the dispute form, cite policy section 3.2 on fraudulent content. This is important. Use exact wording like "this review violates Google Maps policy 3.2, as the reviewer has no transaction history with our business, and the content describes services we do not provide." Attach your screenshots. Google's compliance team responds to policy citations 4 times faster than emotional appeals. Here's the problem. Right now, your fake review sits at the top of your profile, killing trust with every visitor. After step 1 and 2, you filed a compliant dispute with proof. Most DIY attempts stop here and wait. But Google often auto-rejects if you don't follow up. That's the gap ReputationZilla closes. Here's the exact follow-up script to use if Google rejects your first dispute. Wait 48 hours after rejection, then resubmit with this wording in the appeal box. This review remains in violation of Google Maps policy regarding fraudulent content. The reviewer has no verified transaction with our business as evidenced by attached order records. We request escalation to a senior content reviewer per your published appeals process. Copy that word for word. The phrase "escalation to senior content reviewer" triggers a human review 68% of the time instead of the automated queue. This review remains in violation of Google Maps policy regarding fraudulent content. The reviewer has no verified transaction. Flag within 24 hours, citing exact policy. Attach proof reviewer never transacted with you. ReputationZilla handles disputes end-to-end. Link in description. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete dispute service. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.